How to write a perfect product description with AI. Hey, struggling to write product descriptions that actually sell? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Here's how to write the perfect product description using AI, step by step. Step 1. Understand the product. Before you even touch a keyboard, ask, who is this for? What problem does it solve? What makes it better than competitors? Type these into ChatGPT and say, help me write a product description for your product, ideal for your audience, highlighting main features and benefits. Step 2. Choose a tone that matches the brand. Do you want it formal, fun, elegant, or punchy like this video? Tell AI, write this in a funny, professional, luxury, urgent tone. Boom, instantly on brand. Step 3. Add persuasive power. Ask for emotional triggers. Make the reader feel like they need this now. Include a call to action that creates urgency. Step 4. Use formatting tricks. Ask AI to format it in bullets, short paragraphs, or bolded headlines. Structure this for easy online reading. Step 5. Polish and humanize, don't blindly copy. Always add a human touch, adjust phrasing, add real-world use, throw in humor if it fits your brand. That's it. AI gives you the bones, you add the magic. And now you've got a killer description in 3 minutes flat. Go sell something.